More than 7,000 flights within, into or out of the U.S. were either cancelled or delayed Friday as the country braces for a series of life-threatening winter weather conditions this weekend, including potential blizzard conditions in parts of the Midwest. Along the East Coast, from North Carolina to Massachusetts, the National Weather Service has issued flood warnings as water could reach as high as 3 feet. The National Weather Service warned, dangerous, cold temperatures and difficult travel conditions will hit Iowa Friday evening into Saturday. The NWS projections include winds reaching up to 45 miles per hour and a possible blizzard. Severe windy, tornadoes and hail are all in the forecast in parts of the South including Alabama and Mississippi. Meanwhile, thunderstorms are expected to hit a handful of major southern cities including New Orleans, Atlanta and Jacksonville. The severe weather's impact on travel conditions led officials to warn travelers of likely delays in their upcoming plans. The Federal Aviation Administration posted a video on X warning thunderstorms from Kentucky to southern Mississippi could impact travel in Atlanta, Charlotte and Memphis. And snow in the Midwest could do the same for passengers traveling in that region of the country. Secretary of Transportation Pete Buttigieg also took to Twitter to assure travelers that the Department of Transportation would continue our work to support passengers and promote resiliency in the airline system. Life-threatening blizzard expected in the Midwest. Here's where severe weather is forecast this weekend. Forbes.